In front of me is Oppo A80 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and hitting sound and vibration. Now operate those two switches next to vibrate on ring and vibrate on silent to disable or enable haptic feedback for incoming calls and silent mode. Scroll down. Click on haptics here and tap on this switcher next to system haptics to enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!